Hey, thanks for clicking on my YouTube video. So I just wanted to give my, I suppose, views on Funded Trading Plus, a prop firm which has come out of the woodworks in the past few months, if not maybe a year or so, with much better rules compared to some of the OGs. Just a bit of a, I suppose, my experience, I guess. I have tried prop firms in the past. I'm kind of against them, or I have a bad taste in my mouth because I won't name any names. Put in the comments below who you think I'm talking about here. But let's just say the minimum trading days, the rules changing without telling people, and just the ability to fail or to remove a funded account like that is no. I did not like it. I got funded twice and I never got a payout because of two stupid rules that I accidentally broke. One, I used a contract size too high, and secondly, I traded during a time that I was allowed to trade before but changed without telling me. Anyway, didn't get a payout. So I just was trading a personal account for over a year and a half now, so I'm about 2.5 years trading. Quite profitable with the small account, only using 500 to 1,000. Every Tuesday and Thursday I used to withdraw profits, and that's what I've been doing for months now. So I was informed that companies have been changing their tune, and I was basically told about these dudes and the lack of rules and the more emphasis on trying to make you a funded trader as opposed to making money off you from resets and monthly fees. You know what I'm talking about. Again, if you know what company I'm talking about, pop it in below and I will tell you if they're right or not. I don't want to give them any more publicity. So these guys, they have a few different types of programs. Now, they have Advanced, Experience and Master. Experience is a one-phase program, so just one phase and you can get funded. Advanced is a two-phase, more traditional. And Master is instant funding. Again, I do not know about Master and Advanced. I picked Experience because I liked it the most. It's single phase. It's an 80-20 profit split. Once you make 10% profit, you're eligible to double your account. And every single time you make a 10% profit, you can double your account, which is ridiculous. So if you start down here, and if you're good enough, you can go all the way up to a $2.5 million account. Now, that seems crazy, but as long as you make a 10% profit every single time, you can go up the levels. Now, these guys, the profit targets and the relative drawdown is smaller for the relative drawdown. It's bigger profit target. Why? Because, as I said, you can get funded quite quickly. You can get funded within 3 days if you're good enough. And I've been trading for 3 days and I'm funded. I did not do it in one trade. I took about 30 trades in total. I think it's really important to make sure that you're actually able to be consistent with it, I think, more than anything else. So there's no minimum trading days, 1 to 30 leverage. TradingView, you can use that, but you have to pay a fee. It's an $80 fee to be able to use TradingView, which I think is fair. 6% drawdown and a 3% daily drawdown based off of whatever account you use. And the way the relative and daily drawdown works is at the end of the trading day, to 12 o'clock. The start of a new day, the 6% is calculated off of whatever your balance is at that point in time. So that is how the relative drawdown works. Now, obviously, if you start at 50,000 and you lose 5%, you only have 1% left. It scales up as your profit goes up, but it will always stay a static 6% in total and 3% overall. You have to be good at managing your risk, essentially. Advanced traders, this has a little bit of a better relative drawdown. So if you feel like that is better for you, so 5% to 10%. But as I said, I picked this one because it's one phase, no minimum trading days, 10% profit. Bob's your uncle, and you're able to get funded quite quickly. Weekly payouts, which is absolutely amazing as well. So let's go into my dashboard and show you around. So I started with the lowest one. So I started with, excuse me, the 12,500. You can see here I have passed, just made over 10% profit, 19 winning trades, 16 losing trades. Average losing trade was $56 and 115. So my kind of trading style is I risk very small and I try to aim for big rewards. Okay, maybe it might be something that might go down to further down the line if this is something I might keep up with. But it tells you basically everything you need to do on this dashboard. You can go through all your rules. Not that there's that many. It's literally do not breach a daily, do not breach the total. Those are the rules. You can trade whenever you like. With this program now, you can only this is the only program that you're allowed to hold over weekends. So just be really careful of which one you choose. Currency pairs, the drawdown, like everything is here. Profit targets, how the real multiplier, this one, trades must be closed on Friday. Now what's amazing is that if you're an experienced one, which is the one I'm in, you can hold over the weekends. All other programs, it will automatically close you out. So let's say if you forget about something and you don't close it out, it will close you out and it won't be a breach of the rules. And this is what I mean why I like these guys. They're not trying to, it doesn't feel like they're trying to catch you out. It is simple. You break the rules in relation to your drawdown and you restart. Simple as. There's no monthly fees or anything like that. There is a reset fee, but I'm pretty sure it's like 80% off or 90% for your first one, and I don't know what after that. Hopefully I don't ever have to use it. But the dashboard is quite nice. The trade overview, so these are all the trades I took. Now I've never used MT5 before, and I accidentally over leveraged on a few of my trades because I didn't realize what I was doing until I actually installed a risk management calculator, and the mistake went away. So you'll notice here that a lot of my trades, so minus 50, minus 30, which isn't fine, minus 50. So I actually started off in a bit of a drawdown first. I was a bit excited, a bit gung-ho. Funny enough, I hear a lot of the times that when people start funded challenges, they would always go into a drawdown at the start. But I suppose the difference is just keeping your cool and being able to get out of that drawdown. So as you can see here, because of my pretty good risk to reward, I was able to get out of that drawdown within one trade. So $275 for $74. And if you notice, I'm not using massive contract sizes here. I'm not even using over one. I did here because again, it was my second ever trade and I thought it was the same as my last trading platform. It wasn't. That's also annoying, but it keeps reloading the page, which reloads every so often. But anyway, you can see here, this is where I made my boo-boo. Two of these ones here. I accidentally just, let's just say it didn't go well, these ones. And after that, I copped on. So 70, minus 70, and then we see here we get back to the good risk to reward. So usually one trade for me can destroy 4 or 5 losses. That's what I intend. So you can see here 300, 120, 50, 20, minus 50, minus 30, 30, 100, 10, minus 60, and then you can see here we have 137, 180, 120, 340, 300. So my risk to reward is quite good. That's what I focus on more than anything else, and that's what I've been focusing on for a very, very long time based on a strategy that I use, which is very simple. So 3 trading days I was able to complete this challenge and get 10% profit. Will I be able to keep that up? Probably not, but the point was to pass and then kind of take a little bit of a chill pill. But it's kind of my trading style anyway. I try not to over risk. Those ones were a mistake. I don't really over risk, but the kind of goal is that my winners are high, are big. Win rate isn't amazing. It's over 50%, but win rate means absolutely nothing. It's your risk to reward that's important. So I usually aim for maybe a 3 or a 4, sometimes 5. I'll always take partials along the way, and then I'll trail my stop loss to kind of get the most out of every single move. But anyway, that is my experience so far with the Funded Trading Plus. Everything is kind of laid out very clear as day. There's nothing hidden. This is what I really like about them. I will keep everybody posted. So if you want to see my kind of journey so far and the withdrawal process when I get to it, unless there's another rule that kind of pops in here and gets me knocked out, make sure you subscribe, like the video if you like this stuff. Comment below if you want to hear anything in general. I said this is my first video on this channel, so let's see how it goes. Be my little journaling location, essentially. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you hopefully in the next video, which will be an update a week after being fully funded.